Hey there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Matty here with you, and as promised, we have this follow-up video taking a deeper dive, a closer look at Umbrella Network, which is a project that has just partnered with Binance Smart Chain, and one which we are very excited about. Umbrella, reading off the website here, UMB.network, is the first truly decentralized Oracle service providing low-cost, massively scalable, and secure solutions for smart contracts. We've been covering the developments recently with Umbrella Network. We've been taking a look at their token, UMB. Go back and take a look at our previous coverage if you're hearing about Umbrella for the first time. But in this video, we're going to alert you to a series of updates and partnerships, as well as Binance Smart Chain integration. That's BSC integration. That's certainly been the biggest recent news, but they also have other partnerships, some of which include Polygon. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at exactly what it is they do. I think now we're at a point in this crypto space where a lot of people are familiar with Bitcoin. Fewer people are familiar with DeFi, decentralized finance, and fewer still are familiar with Oracle solutions. So we'll take a look at all that. I'll link to all of this in the description below. You can take a look as well at their Twitter profile here. It is UMB Network, at UMB Network. And guys, of course, if you like this kind of content, we talk about Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and altcoin overviews, then be sure to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. We're here on NASDAQ.com, and increasingly you'll notice that NASDAQ and similar publications, similar media outlets are really talking up the value of DeFi, decentralized finance, and now they're actually taking the next step to start discussing oracles, decentralized oracles specifically. Here on NASDAQ.com, the author here talks about how DeFi applications are essentially performing market-making functions, but unlike traditional lenders, exchanges, or insurers, they use the blockchain and smart contracts to provide these services transparently, peer-to-peer, without involving banks or other central authorities. We know this for the most part. You members of the Altcoin Buzz Army are pretty much, for the most part, familiar with DeFi. If you're not, we have some other videos you can check out. No worries if you're not up to speed on that. This is a new space after all, and it's a big tent, but that means that new people are entering it all the time. Perhaps the easiest way to explain oracles, the article continues, is that they're analogous to the application programming interfaces, or APIs, that traditional applications use to retrieve data. So for example, let's say Kayak wants to retrieve flight schedules and prices from a number of different airlines. By accessing the APIs for those airlines, Kayak can easily retrieve that information to share with its clients in real time. But for a blockchain-based project looking for the current price of Bitcoin against the US dollar, the information provided by API endpoints is unusable. Oracles are what solve that problem. They verify, query, and authenticate those external sources, and then make the data available on the blockchain. Going back to the Umbrella Network website for just a moment, let's take a look at why you may want to use Umbrella Network specifically. So Umbrella Network provides access to data previously unavailable to blockchain developers, and at a far lower cost than any other Oracle in the industry. With over 1,000 data pairs available, Umbrella Network also offers more data than any other Oracle in the ecosystem. Here we have Rachel's article from a few days ago on altcoinbuzz.io, Umbrella Network UMB Massively Scalable Data Oracle Platform. This is a good resource if you want to get some background as to what it is Umbrella Network is really doing. Access to scalable and reliable on-chain data made easy thanks to decentralized, community-governed, lower-cost Layer 2 data Oracle platform Umbrella Network and its low-cap gem native token UMB. And as you guys know, it's never financial advice that we provide, but since our previous coverage of Umbrella Network, the price has gone up a little bit, UMB token that is, and you're still looking at what we feel is a bargain. The total market cap of Umbrella Network is now somewhere in the $36 million range. So not exactly a micro cap anymore. I guess it depends on your definition. It's starting to grow, but there's still much more room for growth. As Rachel writes here, Umbrella Network's solution. So Umbrella Network is out to make data available to blockchain and DeFi platforms at much reduced prices compared to Oracle platforms available today. The platform currently boasts more than 1,000 data pairs, with this number rapidly increasing, and it's quite impressive as most data Oracle platforms available in the market currently only support anywhere between 100 and 200 data pairs. But Umbrella Network currently provides on-chain data to a wide range of platforms, anywhere from the top cryptocurrency pairs, index platforms like DeFi, Pulse, middle market cryptos, to real-world assets like commodities and equities. And the possibilities embedded in Umbrella Network on-chain data platform, especially in relation to the rapidly expanding DeFi space, is effectively and basically limitless. Here we have this more recent article on altcoinbuzz.io. DeFi Oracle Protocol Umbrella Network migrates to BSC, Binance Smart Chain. This article by Martin Young. So high Ethereum network fees were definitely cited as one of the major reasons for this move. This is an announcement that was released actually a couple of days ago, so 2 days ago from the time of this recording, on the 4th of May. The Umbrella Network cited escalating gas fees on Ethereum as the reason for the migration. And while the Ethereum transaction to get a data point on chain might cost $50 or so, that same transaction might only cost 50 cents via Binance Smart Chain. In other words, it is, what is that? Yeah, that's 2 orders of magnitude cheaper, about 100 times cheaper, at least potentially. They stated, quote, "The high costs of the Ethereum network clearly make it more difficult for us to achieve our first objective, which is to be the lowest cost data provider. High transaction costs means higher data costs. Umbrella, of course, as we've been discussing, acts as a bridge between smart contracts and off-chain data feed to provide oracles for the DeFi sector." Umbrella Network has also announced a partnership with UniFarm. So in this press release here, we're on medium.com. Umbrella Network is delighted to announce a partnership with UniFarm, which is a DeFi project that is offering a novel farming approach that allows a group of projects to collectively join and build a combined token reward pool. Users can then stake one of the project tokens to get rewarded in all of the tokens within a given pool. In the UniFarm ecosystem, these pools are called cohorts, and there are a number of cohorts available on the platform. 6 cohorts have already gone live, with Umbrella joining the 7th, which is on Binance Smart Chain. UniFarm also does Ethereum or ETH cohorts. And check this out, also from a couple of days ago, UMB has added 91% more liquidity to Pancakeswap. So at UMB Network here with this liquidity update, we just juiced up the Pancakeswap liquidity pool by adding another 385,000 in liquidity to its UMB BNB pair. There is now a total of 766,976 in liquidity, 91% of which is provided by Umbrella and not eligible for rewards. Hashtag BSC month. They also had this update from a couple of days earlier here. This kind of highlights and encapsulates their April update. So goodbyes to April 2021, but with a bang. Number 1, 20,000 UMB liquidity mining rewards each on Pancakeswap and SushiSwap each month. Number 2, final QA for BSC Binance Smart Chain launch underway. And in May of 2021, they're revving up the gas, pun intended. Read all the updates in the details below. You can check that out further here on medium.com. And by the way, as always, guys, I link to all of this in the description below if you're interested in that week of April 26th Umbrella Network weekly recap. That's where you'll find the information, this Medium article, and I'll link to it in the description below. And finally, as if that wasn't enough news, Umbrella Network is partnering with the red hot Polygon, previously known as MATIC project. So Umbrella Network is delighted to announce a partnership with Polygon as it integrates into the Polygon platform, a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set that includes great scalability and security, along with interoperability and modularity, among other benefits as well. Polygon is striving to become the internet of blockchains for Ethereum, providing solutions to improve interconnectivity, scalability, and usability while not compromising on decentralization and leveraging the existing developer community and ecosystem. A very heartfelt kudos to Umbrella Network for all these recent accomplishments, as well as their very high-profile partnerships. For more on Umbrella Network and all the other projects that we cover, guys, do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels. Also, keep checking back into Altcoin Buzz for all the latest, where you can like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell on our YouTube channel to receive notifications and stay up to date with everything that we publish. None of this, as you know, is financial advice, but we do wish you all the very best of luck if you choose to invest. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.